Hi my lovesies. I know you can't see me. I have my leg cut off because I don't want to cut on my because I don't want to cut on my light. But I just want to pop a shout out to our new 2 subscribers. So hi, thank you for subscribing. And yes, I know I'm also doing the series on this channel and my other channel, which I'm going to put soon. The reason is because I haven't posted anything on that channel in like a while. So until then, my bookies, and y'all can like put requests for like some like for other videos other than the series. So like, bye my little loves. Mwah.